Hi everyone. Hello, Mr. Yang. Today, we're gonna talk about the Xiaohongshu, the factors of user-centered travel articles and facility layout reorganization. I'm from Monday morning lecture TUT 004, and my name is Zexu. Here is my student ID. Xiaohongshu is a combination of online community and e-commerce platform. It's an app very popular in mainland China. You can understand it as a combination of Amazon and Facebook. Here is the syllabus of today's presentation. Is same as the structure of my report. So there are more and more independent travelers make their own travel plans and referring to the online information. They will go through others travel articles they shared in the specific traveling apps. For example, Xiangshu, the expressing forms and structures of the travel articles can influence the user's decision making. So this paper analyzes how can a well-structured article influence users. What factors drive them make their decisions, and to further improve the competitiveness of the Xiangshu, we talk about department layout. Xiangshu is the integration platform of e-commerce and traveling community. It has built a highly engaged community of users. Users share lifestyles, share experience, share the consumption decisions in this platform, and others are really pleasant to go through it before they buying things. In this paper, we select the different factors from Xiaohongshu traveling journals and then ask respondents' reaction to the factors with questionnaire. In this way, we can finally find out how travel articles can help travelers plan making. And we talk about the department layout to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the app. In our literature review, the previous journals talk about the use impact, the circle of the user's decision. I choose the use impact. In the use, we want to find out how the users use the factors. In travel articles, authors upload videos, pictures, and piece of word descriptions. These things are exactly the factors that make users determine whether to adopt the article or not. Second dimension is the impact. The five aspects of travelers plan making: the restaurants, the hotels, the transportation, the shopping places, and the travel sports arrangement. The five dimensions cover nearly all the travelers' plans, and the respondents score 1 to 5 to each dimension, and the mean score was calculated and used as the overall impact. In the methodology, we get two quantitative methods. The first one is the facility layout. We choose the 10 main departments uh, and sequence it from 1 to 10, and we give 6 categories: relationship, importance, AI, UX, and score them with different numbers. For the linear regression methodology, we use the questionnaire to gather information, use the WeChat online app, and gather 200 examples. We measured 5 aspects score and find a mean to describe the overall impact from the articles to the users. Here is the results. We derived it from the SPSS application. And here, the first PowerPoint is the multiple linear regression of 3 independent factors: lens, pictures, videos. You can see it here. And we will explain this later. And here is the simple linear regression for the 3 different independent variants. First one is the picture, second video, third one is the length of article. Then we talk about what can we know from above tables. In the formula, we drive the multiple linear regression, this formula. You can see that there is more pictures and better impact, more videos, poor impact. And here we will talk about it. You can see here The significance level of picture here, you can see the p-value is no different to 0, so it rejects null hypothesis. We can see that there is association between picture and impacts, association between videos and impacts. But here, significance level of length is really high, so there is no association between the length of reticle and impact here. So here is the conclusion we can draw from it. And here is we use the facility layout. We give the relationship importance to each pair of two departments, give a total closeness rate to each department 1 to 10. And you can see that third department is highest. Sorry, first department is the highest, so we put 1 here, and in this sequence, we 1, 3, and 10 department here. Put it into the dimensionless block diagram. Here is what we got. In this layout, the Xiangshu can improve its efficiency and effectiveness. Here is all of my presentations. Thank you.